Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how to get this beautiful butterfly look. So first things first, we're going to prime our face. And now we attach the butterfly tattoos. I'm going to get it as close as I can to my eye. And the nice thing is this primer is going to help it stick, but I'm going to use a wet face cloth and hold it for 30 seconds and take it off. So I'm just holding it with the wet cloth and I'm not going to take it off until I'm sure it's ready to come off. All right, let's remove it and see what we're working with. I'm in love. That is so cute. Now let's get the other one on. So for the eyeshadow base, we're going to start off with the She Glam highlighter. I really like this and it's going to give us the exact tone I want. I'm going to go in with my finger and be very careful around it. I want it in the middle corner or inner corner, a little bit underneath, and right there. Lovely. Add to the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this dual chrome color right here and just go in with my finger. Just like that. I'm gonna put on some foundation. This is my favorite foundation ever, just so you know. Now it's time to contour. I like to bring down this part of my nose. It looks good when I do this for some reason. Right there, right here, and directly there. Some concealer. I like to contour my nose a little extra with some bronzer, and I put way too much on, but that's fine. I'll get it out. And I always make sure to pull it down here because for some reason it just looks so good when I do that. The under eye, I'm going to be using this concealer stick and putting it right here. And we're not going to rub that in. It's going to stay and look harsh. Use a little bit more contour powder. And go underneath. Just like that. Now for the eyebrow, we are using my Benefit brow pencil. We're going to be using this for the freckles too. And you're going to go hard in the arch at first. Bring it down a little bit. And then we're going to do a really harsh straight line underneath. And it looks crazy now, but wait till you see what I do to fix it. Okay, so we're going to use the other side. Oh, and we're going to brush it out. And what this does is it gives you like the perfect fluffed out brow and the perfect strokes and the perfect coverage. Just naturally, look at that. So beautiful. I'm going to use this for freckles too, so I'm going to do my lipstick and my mascara and I'll show you the final result. And this is the final look. What do you think, my friends? I really, really love this look myself. I think it's super cute. It glitters, it shines, and I feel like I executed it perfectly. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!